Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. The Honorable Court of Appeals of the State of Idaho is now in session pursuant to law. Please be seated.
We are here as part of this year's Law Day celebration. Law Day is a day set aside to honor the nation's legal heritage and its system of justice. For our part, each year the Court of Appeals schedules an oral argument at a high school. That way, you can see firsthand that the courts of this state are open to the public and to understand how we operate in a respectful manner and take very seriously the cases before us and the rights of the parties involved. Mr. Hahn, you may present the appellant's opening argument. Mr. Spencer, you may present the respondent's argument.
Counsel, I have a question for you on the significance of whether or not it was delivered before the search warrant.
Mr. Hahn, you may present the appellant's reply.
That it would have been better if the package had been delivered and then the police had applied for the warrant.
The court appreciates the arguments of counsel today and your responses to our questions. This matter will be taken under advisement and a written opinion will be issued in due course.
I think the presentation the students saw was outstanding because they have talked about it in the process in the classroom. We've seen some videos, we've read about it in books, but actually see it live in person was really important. The students were outstanding. You could tell they must have been pretty interested because there's no peep from the audience.
It felt good to have people there. Sometimes we don't have anybody show up for our arguments, or there's maybe 2 or 3 people and they're lawyers, so it's nice to have somebody else. They're ahead of the game here. If they want to do this, they get to see what it's like.